So while the car is on the ground, I like to break these lug nuts loose. That way I can use the gravity and weight of the car to prevent the tire from spinning while I'm trying to loosen it. If you lift it up and then you try to do it, it kind of moves a little bit around, a little bit harder. I'm using 19 millimeter. The rear jack point on this Subaru is going to be just in front of the rear tire. I'm on the driver's side right now. You can see this edge has some ripples in it. That's an indicator of where the main frame is and where your jack point is as well. Anywhere in this area will be fine. Don't jack up on right here, of course, because this is the outer plastic. You want to get the frame or inside of the frame right here. There's also a subframe if you go a little bit further in, but I'm not going to use that. To build redundancy, I'm going to use some jack stands as well. I'm going to put this on another part of the frame. I'm going to lower the car on the jack stand and then pump up the jack again, just so that it's equally distributing weight between 2 points. Now that I have the car on the jack stand and on the jack, I'm now going to remove the lug nuts and remove the tire. Lug nuts are removed, and now I'm going to roll it away.